sabihin yun ay hindi dahil kukuha tayo ng magmahal sa atin, kundi i-share natin ang pag-ibig na ito unconditionally. By means of maybe you share something to them to help them financially. Maybe you love sharing to them your care to your children or to your grandchildren. And at the same time, since we have this association, we have to share our love with one another, our care. So it means to say that dahil kakaunti pa tayo dito sa program, mag-invite tayo para makashare din sila ng ating pagmamahal sa pamamagitan ng ating program. Dahil tendering a song or telling them a story about our past, ay sinishare natin ang pagmamahal natin sa ating kapwa. Okay, so that's the meaning of Valentine's Day. Now, today we have to celebrate our 6th year as a member of as a Sokotonian. We started this anniversary since 2019 when we had the grand reunion at Tagaytay. And it followed, we formed our association, and at the same time, the KNB, which is until today, it is very active. Thanks to you, our directress, Felicidad Raimondo. Kundi dahil sa iyo, wala kami ngayon dito.
Kung wala naman kayo, hindi ito matutuloy.
Yes, hindi ka namin malilimutan sa totoo lamang. Kaya, kung mari lang, nandyan ka lagi sa amin. Without you, we are nothing. We cannot do this. Manong, kung hindi naman sa song mo, ay, nako, paano natin may air din? Mahirap. Okay. At saka ako nagpapasalamat sa lahat at lagi tayo ngayon nandito at lagi tayong nagse-celebrate. Actually, yung ginagawa natin na monthly, it's already a celebration of our senior days, senior life. Okay. Now today, my dear Abokis, as we celebrate our 6th year of our program of activities, we are emphasizing the engagement of our seniority. Even though our physical appearances are in its changing processes, which is true, because as we age, our appearances are changing. It's either that we grow younger or we grow older. It's up to us to nourish our body. Most of us are now in our early years or late years, the 60s, the 70s, and the 80s. We cannot deny that we are still looking at the fountain of our youth. Undeniably, it is physically appearing in our own self. We need to remember that we are never too old to realize our dreams or goals to accomplish more for the sake of experiencing great things to happen in our remaining years. There is a saying of Frank Lloyd Wright, the longer we live, the more beautiful we are, or the life becomes. Furthermore, anyone that strives to learn stays young, especially in mindset. Totoo yan, kasi kuminsan, katulad, I think 2 years ago, I remember, may nagpo-poetry, nagde-declaim, mula sa atin, nagkakantahan pa, at saka ngayon, kasalukuyan, it's about our health lifestyle. Na iyan isinishare ni ang ating mahal na Baby Bibas. Okay. Another notable person, Henry Ford, says, "The greatest thing in life is keeping our mind young another noted person, Eleanor Roosevelt, beautiful young people are accidents of nature, but beautiful old people are works of arts. So many inspiring words of good notable people can be our inspirational guidance to stay active in our senior years. We need to remember that it is not the years in life that counts, but the life in our years and how we spend it. Being active in old age is a reward of our well-spent youth, meaning we are allowing our old age to hope for better world, like what we are doing now. What we are doing is we are helping ourselves to be younger in our minds because dahil kung ano-ano mga dinidiscuss natin na para sa kabutihan natin, hindi lang para sa atin, kundi para sa ating mga apo at mga anak. And today, we are here experiencing it. Because we dance, we sing, we recite poems, and talk about life, digesting such topic as staying healthy despite our ages for our own benefits and of others. Now we should inspire, motivate ourselves to do and have more to accomplish while we are still in fine feathers. Let's continue what we are doing and allow others to join us, to dance with us, to sing with us, like what I'm doing, sir, but pero medyo nagyabang na ako. What I'm doing before, I used to do the a cappella way, and then I was inspired. Why don't I just record it? So that's what I'm doing, and if you notice that that sometimes I heard this already before from her. How come that there's another one? You know, I learned that singers they don't only sing once in one sitting, but they do different versions. It's either that they change the tempo, or it's either that they are refining it. Then that's what I'm doing. So that's why you can notice that, like the Always by Marcos Sison. Oh, bakit narinig ko na yan doon? Pero it's a different photo profile inilagay ko doon. So it's a different version. So it means to say that it's only one time that we do something for ourselves, but we have to change every day. Now, let's continue what we are doing and allow others to join us to dance and to sing with the flow of our activeness in our very own program. And thank you, Felicidad, my dear Abuki Feli, for this wonderful work that you are doing for us. Without you, we are nothing. Let's be the leader to our Sokotonyan family to stay active and feeling young. And what we do will be a piece of web to our own memories for our families and future generations. Mabuhay tayong lahat. Happy Valentine's and happy 6th anniversary to our association.
Mabuhay!
Josie, asan na si isa?
Sino?